What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we will be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Verge to US dollar. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, as well as leave a giant thumbs up on this video. Otherwise, I am so thankful. We have finally broken 4,000 subscribers, so a huge shout out to you guys. I'm really looking to improve this channel as we grow and continue. 10K is around the corner, so thank you all of you guys. Otherwise, I do have a few things to discuss before we get into today's TA and article, but we just really quick, we are going to be looking at an article on Litecoin and Charlie Lee's effort to push cryptocurrency to $400, Litecoin in specific. But otherwise, before I jump into that, I just wanted to pull up this the merchandise website. So a lot of you guys have been really interested in the merchandise. I actually have a few people that have bought a few products, the mug and a bunch of other things. So I am super fortunate and thankful that you guys are willing to buy the stuff. And of course, I will shout it out. So make sure to send me an email with your merchandise, either an unboxing video or just a picture. But I did want to show you guys, a lot of people are asking me what other colors and stuff can you get. The website is pretty specific as to what I put out. So I just want to show you, I can create a poster, a framed poster, a canvas, upperwear, mug, pillow, phone case, and a bag. So if any of those sound intriguing to you, please do message, leave a comment on this video telling me what exactly you want, as well as let me know what colors you want, as well as what design, because there are all a bunch of stuff here. If you see, we have added the I added a Litecoin legendary hoodie. It's a gold Litecoin, which is really cool, as well as a Litecoin accepted here. And then somebody asked for a gray t-shirt, so I made a gray one. But if you have colors and you know which design you want, or you want a poster or anything like that, please do feel free to leave the comment in the comments below and let me know what it is that you want, because I'd love to just create it. If there's any other ideas or anything, just leave me a comment. But thank you for all those who have purchased, and let's just get right into the TA. So we're on Ethereum World News, and as you can see here, if I just scroll down really quick, you can see how it says efforts to push Litecoin to $400 is underway, says Charlie Lee. Very interesting news. I believe this was posted yesterday or last night. It says cryptocurrency pundit and the founder of Litecoin, Charlie Lee, has revealed that he's doing everything in his powers to push the price of Litecoin to $400, which is above its all-time high, claiming that soon the altcoin will reach a level far higher than the all-time price at $375, which later plunged to 50% in January 2017. He says in Twitter that some critics descended on his wall to complain on the state of the coin, which was present at 83, but he emphasized that the Litecoin Foundation's mission is to advance Litecoin for the good of the society. He claimed that foundation has nothing to do with the price, which is weird but understandable, enjoying anybody to create a foundation that can help increase the price of Litecoin. So it's interesting. We'll see it's sitting at 82. We are up slightly from where we have been. He says, however, the founder of the alternative protocol asset that has a similar technology with Bitcoin consoled the cryptocurrency lovers with soothing words, declaring Litecoin will soon return to an appreciable point. So let's hope he sticks to that. We'll see where we're headed, but it's nice to see that these big guys are now basically talking about putting out just some quotes about where the price is headed. I do think that's very nice to see in the market that cryptocurrency and Charlie Lee is going to be more positive now about Litecoin. It may be a sign, you know what I mean? But otherwise, the markets do look quite well for today. Nothing too crazy, just another day of consolidation for the most part. Bitcoin seems to be up. If the dominance loads right now. But for the most part, you can see that most were in a consolidation standpoint. We're about 1, 2, 3 out of the 10 top cryptos are positive, and not by much. And we're not really down by much either, 1, 2% at max. So nothing too crazy. Bitcoin dominance, though, at an all-time high since, not an all-time high, but a very high standpoint from the last time I've seen. 45.4% is definitely a very, very, very high amount from what I've seen in previous times. So definitely interesting and a good thing to notice at that. Otherwise, let's just check out Litecoin right now. You can see Litecoin has continued to double bottom and is back in its area of consolidation, which I kind of anticipated. I figured we would go down and kind of hit an area of consolidation. What's interesting is I'm just now noticing that there is a slight downtrend on the market, which I'm trying to draw in now for you guys. Very interesting that that's here. This could be a potential good sign. We may see the coin kind of hit a bottom at around, I believe it's $78, $80. And then bounce up out of this downtrend and continue to ride up to maybe retest the $94, $95 level and break through that, eventually leading up to its high-low MMA, you can see, which is sitting at around 115, 120. So definitely looks good. I think we're in a good position. It's nice to see that we are starting a small descending triangle. That is definitely a bullish signal in my sense. But you can see where we're kind of headed right now. You can see on the 4-hour. If I just zoom out, you can kind of see that we are following a downtrend right here. There is a pretty for sure downtrend right here, and you can see where we're facing resistance is practically at this high-low MMA. So we'll see if we can build the volume and support to pop up out of that and gain some power above $85 and kind of use the support as an area. Sorry, use the MMA as an area of support. But we do look quite nice right now, so I do think I am pretty bullish on Litecoin for the short term. The high-low MMA for Litecoin is now at around 47, 48. So that looks quite nice as well. The downtrend is been broken and we are out of that overbought area. So it definitely looks nice in my opinion all around. Bitcoin, you can see, is another day of consolidation, which was anticipated. Traded sideways, is facing a lot of resistance, guys, from this high-low MMA. But you know what? We are in an area to be slightly worried to see maybe a slight pullback. As long as we can continue the consolidation and see the price come down a little bit and not enter that overbought region, we should be okay. It's definitely possible for the market to continue up, and we can definitely enter that overbought area. But we're really looking to see a breakthrough above the high-low MMA and kind of ride along this, consolidate above this high-low MMA, and then continue to go and make higher highs. But we're still looking good. You can see that we're making some higher lows, so that's definitely another bullish thing too. 1, 2, now a third one. So the market could be over with its bear trend, its bearish attitude. So we're going to have to see it. We're going to have to follow it. And we're definitely looking for some nice consolidation right now for the next few days until we can break out of that channel. Ethereum, last of the 3 blue chips we're going to talk about. Again, seeing some consolidation. We bounced off the top of this descending triangle. You can see we're now continuing to go up, facing some slight consolidation at around 460. But I do think in the short term, we should slowly head back up to its high-low MMA right around here. So I do think that's around the corner. Be mindful of that. We are going to go there. I could pretty much bet on that. Just be patient with it. If you are, I think it's an okay time to buy Ethereum. I do think you should have some in your portfolio. But otherwise, let's just look at Verge really quick, and then we'll wrap things up. You can see how with Verge, we are pretty much on this downtrend. It's a very almost negative looking chart. You can just see it's just constantly going lower, but usually it could potentially be a good sign because there could be a reversal very soon. You can just see how finally on the 4-hour chart we have managed to draw a, I guess you can say a the high-low MMA has finally come onto it, but you can see how it's acting as such resistance. My issue with Verge is there's really no lower area or lower price range. It's pretty much just been using this as support and riding this. You can see how right now it is channeling below the high-low MMA and using this as strict resistance. So if at any point it manages to break above here, it could be a bullish breakout sign and you could make some money. But even then, I could actually draw another area of support right around where the price level is at right now. You can see how on the downtrend it kind of slightly broke up. You can see on this small one right here, it kind of broke up, retested that area. But all around, it's an interesting chart. It's hard to say I would invest into it unless I really knew the company, which I'm not too familiar with it. But I definitely don't think it's a wise decision to put all your money into right now. I think it's very unstable, and the price doesn't really fluctuate much to make a big profit. But if we manage to break above that high-low MMA, it's definitely a good bullish sign and we could continue up. We're also looking good on that RSI, so there is the potential to see some movement there too. But otherwise, that's going to sum up the episode for today, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I am hosting a live stream tonight, so make sure to catch that. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.